Hidden in the heart of Malang, East Java, lies a village unlike any other, a place where ordinary streets have been transformed into living artwork, where colour, creativity and community come together. Welcome to Kampung Tridi, Indonesia's vibrant 3D village. Along the banks of the Brantas River, this neighbourhood was once overlooked and struggling, a quiet area facing pollution and neglect. But through creativity and collaboration, residents and local artists reimagined their surroundings. Inspired by nearby painted villages, they turned plain walls into breathtaking murals, transforming the space into something entirely new. Kampung Tridi today is more than a tourist attraction. It's a story of transformation, resilience and pride. As you begin your walk into the village, the change is immediate. The narrow entrance path is alive with colour, and every surface seems to radiate energy. Overhead, decorations hang playfully, and the once simple streets now feel like portals into another world. The deeper you step into Kampung Tridi, the more immersive it becomes. The walls are no longer just walls, they are canvases. Every corner reveals something new, something unexpected. What makes Kampung Tridi truly special is its remarkable 3D artwork. These aren't ordinary murals, they are illusions designed to trick the eye. A painted staircase may appear to lift right off the ground. A tiger might look as though it is leaping straight toward you. Waterfalls, forests and scenes of everyday life emerge from flat surfaces, coming alive as you move past them. The village is often called Indonesia's 3D village because of these striking visual effects. Here, art is not something you simply look at, it's something you experience.
Like me to make a tea.
Yeah.
You know this one?
No.
This is very good.
What's
Very high. The English name is butterfly pea flower. Latin name is Victoria ternate. And it's very nice. The content of the high on antioxidant.
It's the colours.
This is going to be fun going up.
Visitors quickly find themselves becoming part of the artwork. Cameras come out, laughter follows, and every few steps present a new opportunity to interact with the murals. People pose beside giant painted animals, balance on illusionary ledges, or stand in scenes that appear to wrap around them. It's playful, imaginative, and entirely immersive. Whether you're here for photography or simply to explore, Kampung Tridi invites you to engage, to experiment, and to see things differently. Yet beyond the colours and creativity, what truly defines Kampung Tridi is its people. This is still a living village. Residents continue their daily routines among the murals, children playing along the narrow pathways, neighbours chatting outside their homes, shopkeepers welcoming visitors with warm smiles. Small cafes and stalls line the pathways, offering snacks, drinks and handmade souvenirs. Tourism here has helped support local livelihoods, giving the community new opportunities while preserving its identity. The art has not replaced the village, it has strengthened it. As you wander further, you'll notice how the terrain shifts.
Yeah, they agree and they support the program.
This is like Knaresborough. Knaresborough? Yeah, the River Nid. It's like a town in Yorkshire where I come from.
From Yorkshire?
Yeah.
Wow. They also color the cities?
No.
Just some houses.
But it's very, very similar in construct.
In some countries in the Middle East, if you would like to paint
So has this always been this colourful, or is it just recently they've coloured all the houses?
since 2016, and after that for several years they repainted.
Right, okay.
You mind if I take a photograph of one from here? From here? You can choose the souvenir. The keychain. This is a homemade by the woman here. Yeah. You can choose fish. Anyone if you like.
Oh, that's who
You choose. Yeah. Yang tua-tua agak aneh ibu. This is you choose yeah.
Thank you.
This is souvenir. It were made by the woman here as a ticket. So we pay the ticket, and we will get this
Big one. Did you want the teddy? You take it. Take it.
So this is called Kampung.
Kampung means village.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 75% third. Ready. Please circumcision. Circumcision.
Oh, right.
We all got circumcision here.
What, in public?
Acaranya kapan nih, Pak? Besok. Oh, tomorrow.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
So you have a party to celebrate?
Yeah, it's a big event for the not
Yeah.
just wedding, circumcisions. It's a part of the symbolize that you're getting mature.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. So, besides the colorful village, this common the dish you can find in Indonesia, especially in Malang, the bakso. So what is bakso? Bakso actually the meatball soup. Yeah. So the Malang bakso, it's one of the how to say special because it has so many ingredients inside. Yeah. We have the rice cake, we have the beef meatball, we have the tofu, the sweet tofu, salty tofu, plain tofu. This is the rice noodle, the wheat noodles, and then the fish crackers. Yeah, put together. Bye.
Bye.
So that's why in our market
The art's amazing. Imagination overdrive. I'd imagine if you sat on that and had a photograph taken, you'd have to pay for the privilege. Motorbike.
I will give you instructions later when we cross. We use our hands.
Peter! Roger! Roger! Peter!
We cross. Okay, ready?
He said no, one step backwards. Just go. All right.
Very talented artists.
What they did was they gave them pride, didn't they, in where they live.
It's what you call real street art.
That's it, and then you're not going to see everything.
Yeah.
Because they wouldn't spoil their own habitat.